everyone, welcome to D-Dawn Kitchen. Today guys, D-Dawn is in the kitchen to do strawberry, ripe banana, peanut oatmeal smoothie. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Please be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know when D-Dawn is doing a video. And to all my supporter, follower, YouTuber, and subscriber, a very big warm welcome to you all. Let's get started. 4 tablespoons raw peanut, 1 tin supplicant, 5 to 6 strawberries, 4 tablespoons oatmeal, quicker oat, 5 to 6 cubes of ice, 1 ripe banana, 1 cup milk. This is the almond milk. You can use whatever milk you want to use. Aloe vera, quarter of the aloe vera. So with the strawberries, I have here 5 strawberries soaking in some vinegar water for 2 minutes. So while I soak the strawberry in the vinegar water, it kills the mold and any bacteria on it. So now we're gonna pour this water off and you're gonna rinse the strawberry in cool water. In the meantime, I'm preparing the strawberry. I'm just gonna, you need also your NutriBullet. This is our NutriBullet. So I'm gonna put the oatmeal in and I'm adding the milk. And this is the almond milk. You can use dairy milk, whatever milk you want to use. My peanut, just 1 handful of the raw peanut, and it already rinsed. So I'm just gonna put it in and let it soak a little while we are working on the strawberries. So if you have the strawberry, you have the fruits frozen, then you don't have to use the ice. So this is what you will be doing, removing the head of the strawberries, just like this. And we're just gonna cut them. You're gonna slice them in 2 or 4 pieces. Of course, I like to use my aloe vera when I'm making juice, smoothie, shakes, or whatever, like this. And ensure you rinse the aloe vera before. So we're gonna peel the aloe vera now. And you're gonna peel it very thin at the side, right there. Begin very thin. Then you're gonna come under the skin, as close to the skin. As close as possible to the surface. So the stick gel inside, that's what we need. We need to get this out. We don't want to use the outside of the aloe vera because it is bored, it's tough, it's not really good. And you see it, when you finish peel it, it's looking like this. So thick and nice it looking, guys. Yep. So you're gonna put the aloe vera in. You see how thick it's looking? Just gonna put it in the jug with the milk and the peanut and the oatmeal. And we're gonna add the strawberry in, the strawberries with some ice. And we're gonna peel the ripe banana and we're gonna add it in. We're just gonna cut the ripe banana, slice on it, and add it in. And we're gonna put some more of our ice. And of course, our supple jam. Supple jam. And we don't want to pass the max. This is the max, we don't want to pass this line. And if you want to use sweetener, guys, you can always use the sweetener. If you have honey, whatever you want to use in it, you just want to use whatever you have. Shake it up. Friends, you're watching this video today and you haven't yet subscribed, please be sure to subscribe, like the video, share the video, and hit that notification bell. So when you we're just gonna blend just for 1 minute. And look at this, guys. Our strawberry, ripe banana, peanut, oatmeal smoothie is now ready. And I'm gonna pour some in a glass. So guys, our smoothie is now ready for drinking. Strawberries, peanut, oatmeal, ripe bananas is ready for drinking. It's very nutritious, guys. So give it a try, you will like it. And remember, if you have allergy to peanut, do not use the nut. So I thank you again, guys. I love you all, and please take care of yourself and enjoy your smoothie. D-Don signing out. See you on the next one. Peace and love all the time.